Think raw tomatoes are super healthy? Well, they are. But you might be throwing away one of their biggest benefits without even realizing it. Here's how to cook tomatoes the right way to unlock their full power. Before we actually start, let me tell you the first unique fact about lycopene. Thanks to its vibrant color, lycopene is used as a food coloring. It's registered and approved for use in the USA, Australia, New Zealand, and the European Union. So let's jump into it. What is lycopene and why it matters? Lycopene is that bright red antioxidant that gives tomatoes their pop. You can also find it in watermelon and guava. Check out this cool infographic that breaks down the lycopene content in different foods. So here comes the second unique fact. Lycopene acts as a natural sunscreen. Wait, what do you mean with that? Studies show that regular lycopene consumption can help protect skin from UV damage. It's not a replacement for sunscreen, but it may reduce the risk of sunburn and support long-term skin health. But here's the big thing. How you cook your tomatoes changes how much lycopene your body can actually absorb. Cooking tomatoes increases the availability of lycopene. Temperatures above 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 54 degrees Celsius begin breaking down cell walls, releasing lycopene. Too high temperatures can destroy both flavor and some nutrients. In fact, studies show that cooked tomatoes can deliver up to 2 to 3 times more absorbable lycopene than raw tomatoes. Another unique fact about lycopene is that it may support prostate and heart health. It has been linked in multiple studies to lower risks of prostate cancer and improved cardiovascular health, thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. If you need more info, check the links in the description. Does lycopene have only positives? About another game changer, the role of healthy fats. See, lycopene is fat-soluble, which means it dissolves in fat. But what types of fats boost lycopene mostly? When you cook tomatoes in fat, like olive oil, you increase the absorption of lycopene. By combining cooked tomatoes with a little healthy fat, you're essentially creating a 1-2 punch. 1, it makes lycopene easier for your body to absorb, and 2, the fat helps your body absorb it better. Quick cooking tip. Roasting tomatoes brings out their natural sweetness and enhances their flavor to give them a rich, toasty taste. Just toss your favorite tomatoes with a splash of olive oil, some garlic, and a dash of salt. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, and you're all set. But does lycopene have any adverse effects? Let's flip the coin and see what's on the other side. Lycopenemia is an orange discoloration of the skin that is observed with high intakes of lycopene. But take it easy, you really have to eat too much tomatoes, and for a long period of time to become into an orange Shrek. There is no established, tolerable upper intake level for lycopene. But high intakes over 75 milligrams daily from supplements may cause lycopenodermia. Even then, the discoloration is expected to fade after discontinuing excessive lycopene intake. So here's the takeaway. If you want to enjoy the full benefits of tomatoes, cook them. But don't just eat them raw. Cooking tomatoes not only makes them more delicious, but also boosts the availability of lycopene. It's a powerful antioxidant that's good for your heart, skin, and overall health. Plus, cooking tomatoes in olive oil is a winning combo, since it not only increases the lycopene content, but also helps your body absorb it better. Drop comments below. How do you like your tomatoes? Roasted, simmered, sauced up? Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep cooking smart.